Get started recording.
What?
Alright. Wanna play some
What's up, guys?
Fortnite Battle Pass. Yep.
Boom, boom, boom. Dun, dun, dun.
Don't look. We're recording right
I
now.
know, I won't. No, I won't. Bruh.
Alright. What's the plan for this round?
Win.
Fair.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this thing. Oh. So they can't hear me?
Yeah. Take the bus driver.
Wanna go to a vault? Wanna go to the vault?
Yeah.
Let's go to a train vault. But I don't care if you say my name.
Oh, I can.
Yeah, I won't. Dun 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 dun. Also, if I say your name by accident, I could just cut it out. Is that okay with you? If I act, yeah. Also,
It's on my PC, so I can't send it to you.
yeah. Oh yeah, so I can't. Guess if you posted it and then I can download it to my phone, and then I have the best weapon in the game. I have the second best weapon in the game. Do you know what it is?
Oh, and I'm already got it.
It's a green pistol. Underneath. Don't mess my way. Yep. Underneath. Knew it. Somebody's shooting at me. I'm sorry, he just killed you, bruh.
It's okay. You just reboot me.
I'm gonna go reboot you now. We're probably gonna skip the train because we probably won't have time. Also, I have like no bullets left. Also, what do I look like this? No, you better have the best weapon in the game, so keep on. Better have the best weapon in the game. Yep. I'm insane with pistols.
That'd be a good game.
Piss. Yeah, I mean, I did that last game a while ago. Remember? Last season.
Last season, yeah. Okay, I got that. I mean,
I just had splashes. I didn't even use it on you. I'm sorry.
Alright.
I found a legendary chest. You don't like sticking to grenades, do you? Yeah, I'm gonna use it for the train. Train's coming though. So we have to hurry up. There's an AR right there.
Wait, hold up. There's a.
We have to go to train like now.
On the pot.
We have to go to train.
Alright, I'm in.
Okay, train's here. I'm coming.
I'm already out.
I'm out of here. I'm on. Alright, you stay there. A pistol does shred these guys. A pistol really does shred these guys.
It does.
Yep. Oh crap, I missed. There. Stop it. I love that it stops so fast. Sometimes it stops so fast. Alright, kill the guys before we go in there. I'm keeping my pistol this whole game. I need shotgun ammo. Alright. Are they all dead? Alright, now get in the train now. I get one side, you get the other side. That's fair loot. And then anything we don't want, we can give to the other person. Same. There was nothing really good. Yeah, why is so many? I hate sticking grenades. I only come here. You wanna go loot the other vault now?
Yeah. Well, if it's still there.
Somebody just rebooted, Neos. Wanna go kill the people that just rebooted? Alright, go.
Whoa. My screen froze like crazy. Hello?
Are you still here?
Yeah. My screen froze like crazy. You see
Oh, you'll be
that?
fine.
Guys, you see that? It's crazy.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get the storms coming soon. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to get it.
Turn around.
Right, let me find a vehicle first so it's quicker.
Okay. I'm gonna chill on this.
Yeah, I got one.
Alright, drive over to Memphis.
I am.
Oh.
Oh, wanna go do that glitch? Wanna do another glitch? See if they've fixed it yet. Alright, I'm gonna do it to you then. I'll see if it works. If so, you'll. No, it's not gonna kill you. No. Maybe.
What is this glitch again?
It's a glitch. That's what it is. It's a fun little glitch.
Am I going
Both
to
whips.
die, though? Is it nice?
No. Maybe. You're not gonna fly. Now. Why?
What?
It's supposed to spawn. Is it about to spawn? Ain't it supposed to spawn?
Yeah.
Oh, it already spawned. Oh crap! Get back in.
Bro, I thought for a second we had a phantom car. Oh, it's all the way
It
down
just-
here. It's right here.
Yeah. Did you undo your mark?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, what?
It's just down there.
I kinda wish we can kill people right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna do the glitch first. It'd be funny.
Wait, can I get this squishy? Aw.
You don't need those, Jimmy.
But I want little Joshua.
His name is Jimmy.
No, it's Joshua.
These are just free kills. These are just literally free kills.
Easy.
Got one. Ah, you got that one. Dude. Alright. Where is he at? Right there. Need a vehicle. Crap, where's that vehicle? Alright, let's get on this launch pad. It's right here.
What about our vehicle?
We're gonna take over these vehicles. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, alright. Alright, now get the bombs on the side of it. It started. Started it. I'm shredding these guys with a pistol. I love that because this is one of the fastest ones to do. Spawn kid behind. Yep. And but it does spawn like on the later games, like in the later game.
That's there. Oh, I'm out of ammo. That's do you have a sniper?
Sniper ammo? No. No. Where's my pistol at? the pistol
I
at?
have one.
Find it. I have my pistol. Okay. All the loot's right here. Yep, you can have it.
Striker fish.
I was. Okay.
You can have it.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's
Do you want?
yeah.
Just give me the
Yeah.
one you just picked up then.
Thank you. Alright, Chug Jug right there for you. And then I'm gonna do a glitch. So get in the back.
Oh wait.
No. There.
Will I die? Be honest.
Oh no. No, you won't. Don't worry. It's technically like a protection barrier because if nobody can get in except for the team that defeated the boss, which is us. So your tech, probably could die. You can't. Because there's a barrier. Now, what I'm about to do, you may have to die, but it'd be fine. What? This would be a fun game. So I don't know if you can kill people, what I'm about to do. If you can, it'd be OG, it'd be OP. Okay. Just whatever you do to not get out, because it may send you flying. I'm gonna try something, okay? Now if this works, I'm sorry. Now.
I can't see my character.
Now to get out. Try to get out.
For a second, I couldn't see my character.
Get back on the back. You stupid! You went in the other direction. I hate you, man. You ruined the trick.
I couldn't see my character.
It's fine. Got one.
Dude, I just wasted all my ammo.
I'm insanely low. He's so low.
I got a strike. Got him.
Got him. Do you have a? Can you, use your chug thing? And then can I use the rest of it when you use it?
Yeah. Okay. There's 90 in it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm low on bullets. You have a sniper? Why didn't it put it in there?
What do you mean?
My gun still has 0 bullets. What bullets does it take? What? What the heck?
What?
What bullet does a sniper use?
It's not sniper ammo.
Oh.
It's
Oh, my sniper then. Oh, thank you.
that kind of ammo. That
What is
kind of
that?
ammo. Get in! Get in! My quick thinking just saved both of our butts. You are so welcome. We would have died right there. No. Those two are spammers. They do have a nice car though.
Backflip!
I mean, we could go take them out. Yeah, I'm kind of low because of those guys. 99 HP.
I don't have any more tools. That chug jug is
The disappointment. Alright, yo, let's go to a black market. You can get heals there. We haven't used our coins at all. We have coins and we didn't even use them. I hope the mythic's not taken. Wanna go? Wow, I'm gonna leave you now.
Let me see if I can get in the back.
You can't. It's blocked. I was gonna block you in there. Get in.
Why would you do that?
So you be invincible.
Sure.
These are just small little babies. You got that guy. Good job.
Kill. Hey,
I need heal.
come here. I have gold.
Alright, come to me. I also go to splashes with you.
Is he dead?
Yep. Get back in. Get in the car. Get in.
Hit him.
Get out. You have to get out. Maybe. Oh no, oh, okay. You may have to run. Yeah. Run to me. Run to me. There's a call right here. No, but they didn't take the call. Run to me. Get in. I'm running them over. Got one. Get in.
I'm so low.
You are so well. Oh no. Get in. You are so well. I just saved both of our butts again.
Here in North Carolina, we respect the wildlife. Actually.
We have to edit that. Well, I just did. I have to edit that. Hold on. I'm gonna put.
I don't know if
Hold
I
on,
can send it to you though.
I can create my own stuff on my Xbox. Remember? Record what just happened. 1 minute ago. Alright, it just recorded what just happened. Go so many backflips. That's what just happened. Alright. Now there's people over here, but we can still kill them and maybe get some loot. So be careful. Here's a call.
The same guy? And, oh,
Yep.
I'm so low.
Got one. 19
Let me
HP
see
though.
if there's any heals up here, because I'm super low.
I'm so low.
So low. Oh, we're both extremely low.
You have any heals?
No, I don't.
Those guys that we killed over here, do they have heals? I do. We kill them. He don't see me.
Oh, he's got me. I'm going to the car to see if I can get in. I'm going to camp. Yeah. I'm chilling by the camp.
I missed. I'm literally one shot. Oh, this guy is too. Wait to me. Oh, they're not. Cause they killed
Why
me.
did you run into the car?
Okay, I'm
Want me to wrap that up?
yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap that up. That was a good round. 6th place. Alright, goodbye.